Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize integrate Postmark with Make.com step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Postmark account. Once logged in, navigate to the API Tokens section. Here, click on the Add API Token button. Provide a name for your API token. Select the necessary permissions for your integration. After configuring the permissions, click Save. Copy the newly created API token. Next, open a new tab and go to Make.com. Log in to your Make.com account. In the Make dashboard, locate the Integrations section. Click on Create a new scenario. In the scenario editor, click on the plus icon to add a module. Search for Postmark in the module list. Select the Postmark module from the search results. Now, choose the specific action you want to perform with Postmark. You'll be prompted to add a connection to your Postmark account. Click on Add to create a new connection. In the connection settings, paste the API token you copied earlier. Give this connection a name for easy identification. After entering the details, click Continue to save the connection. You might need to test the connection to ensure it works. Once confirmed, you can proceed with your scenario setup. Continue building your scenario by adding any additional modules you need. When you're ready, click on Save to keep your scenario. Finally, make sure to activate your scenario to start sending emails with Postmark via Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.